What's up, guys? It's Alcohol Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Without wasting much of your time, if you've been following up on my videos, my daily uploads on Bitcoin, you definitely know how things have been going. So you could see it clearly right here that Bitcoin has been consolidating. And when it comes to the fundamentals are not really looking that great, but regardless, the market has still been resilient, and especially given the fact that Bitcoin has, most especially been holding up very well. Just like what I said yesterday, that we are probably going to be consolidating within this range between um 77 all the way down here to 75 600. So I think this is definitely what we are on right now. And looking at the situation of things, we could still end up getting a move like this, in as much as we'll find support around 75,000 level. We could still rally again to 77. Who knows? Get rejected from there, dump all the way back to 75,000. This time around, we could even head lower, because the news so far, or the headlines so far, are really that bullish, and they are not looking like any form of de-escalation is happening any moment from now. A total sum of $1 billion is being sold from the smart money, or let's just say the smart money are selling from the ETF. So a whole lot of things are brewing. We could see it clearly right here, even from these charts right here, that okay, it seems like we broke out of this resistance right here, and after we got this breakout, we found support around here. We could still rally all the way into 79. Maybe there is a possibility like that, but right now I do not think so. What I'm most especially concerned of right now is the fact that you could see we're making lower lows right here with lower highs. So I think with the look of things, the only way things can be a little bit settled is still the fact that we need to break above this major level right here. Sorry about that. We need to break above this level right here from 78,000. We need to break above 78 to between 77,700 to 78,000. If we can't break above this level, this resistance right here, I don't think there is any way for us to rally even much higher. So we could still rally all the way to 77, just like what I said in the previous chart. But what is the chances that we're going to break out? They are very slim. So we could just say we'll still head all the way down to 75, or even low to 73,500, while we keep on dumping much further. Looking at this from the daily time frame right here, we could see that we still have major support right here at 60, roughly 70,000, 69,000, because this area has been holding, has been holding support for a very long time. So we could still end up dumping even much lower from here, whereby if we end up dumping from here, we're most especially going to see a move all the way down to this major support at $65,000. So we look at things right here, things are looking more bearish than bullish, as we can all see. So I'll definitely be here to give us any updates if anything happens to change. Looking at the situation of things right here, we could see that the USDT dominance has been holding on very well. We're actually at a level of resistance, and as you can see, I've made it known to us that the moment we break above this resistance right here at 7.57%, we're most likely going to find support and rally much higher, which will definitely be very, very bearish for risk on assets. So looking at it like right here, you could see even from the daily time frame right here, we have gotten rejected from this level twice. You could see within the span of, let me say, 1 week, we've gotten rejected from here. You could see twice. So I don't know if we're going to be dumping even much lower, because the moment we get rejected from here and dump much lower, risk on assets will rally. But I don't know how that is going to happen, if we're going to be breaking out or not. So let's wait until we get the breakout first. And looking at crude oil right here, we could see crude oil still trading above $90. Nothing really much. We haven't broken major support, but what is most important is the fact that this right here does not actually transcend to what is happening right now in the economy right now. The economy is actually in shambles, and all form of escalation is coming up here and there, and we look at things right here. I think if we end up seeing crude oil breaking below $90, we could end up getting a retest, and risk on assets could still rally. But that doesn't change the fact that if we drop all the way down to $77, yes, risk on assets will rally, but we could end up getting a massive move from $77 all the way to probably back to $100 upward. So with the look of things can still play out. So either we could also get a move like this. Sorry about that. We could also get a move like this. We could get a move like this, whereby all the way from here we could still rally much higher. But depending on how things are going to go, I will still be here to keep each and every one of us up to date. So yep, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.